Today we are in beautiful Coeur D'Alene, Idaho on the Spokane River, boats going by. Speaking of boats, we are at the owner of Stancraft Boats and Stancraft Construction to show you this beautiful home.
Stancraft started in 1933, so it is our 90th anniversary this year. Started by Stan Young, my wife's grandfather, in Lakeside, Montana. Stancraft Construction came to be when we were building the Jet Center. We were looking to build about 13 more buildings for Stancraft Boats and Stancraft Jets. So we're interviewing guys from Oregon, Washington, Montana, kind of just looking for a general to come take it over. And I just looked at Amy, my wife, and said, we build pretty complicated things. We typically do them on time. We should just build our own buildings. So we started Stancraft Construction 2 years ago in June. I'm born and raised here. Amy moved here when she was 8, so essentially born and raised here. It's a really great place to live, beautiful place to live. So moving back here, really the goal was to come back and create a bunch of awesome, well-paying jobs with great benefits for Idaho kids to stay in Idaho and live and work where they're from. Well, my favorite detail in this house is the fire pit. That's where we spend the most time. It's just my favorite place to be. That being said, there's a lot to the house. The door is one of the biggest things, right? Everyone likes the door. It looks like we're right on top of the river. The proximity to the river is pretty great. There's just so many little details in this house.
One thing Rob wanted was some tie to the boat company, but not too tight. So we were able to use reclaimed teak floors and ceilings through the whole project. Use core-tin siding, use trespass siding. All these materials that were allowed to have this house to be very low maintenance, which it will be. One of my other favorite parts is actually driving up down our street, seeing upstairs in their son's room, there we have an artichoke light by Louis Polson. Iconic architectural feature. Any architect, interior designer will recognize that fixture. One of the specifications I always suggested to Rob was Ketra, because of the individual application for each light fixture to be on its own. The coloring, the daytime lighting, just how easy it was to use. He loves it. I come over and visit him, and he's playing with it all the time. And he loves it.
Yeah, I think because of my background with illumination engineering, lighting is important, right? I mean, it just changes everything. And so it can make a room, break a room, show the wallpaper well. The advantage of Ketra specifically, can be super fun because you can change from blue and red and green, Seahawks colors or whatever. So it just makes it, I mean, it was very important. Lighting is just, it can make or break a house, right?
With these glass Palladiom keypads, it makes controlling the light in any room as simple as one touch. This home was designed for entertaining, so having great audio-video inside and outside is really important. From the distributed audio throughout all the rooms and outside to having TVs in all the important places, from this 100-inch TV behind me to the motorized drop-down TV in the kitchen. Great TVs outside in the bar and in the sitting area make viewing TV or listening to music any time of day easy. For ease of use, we installed a Control4 automation system with touch panels in every room, handheld remotes at all the TV locations, and mobile apps so our client can use the home from anywhere in the world.
Yeah, I love it. I love it about the house. I think having the control on your phone, the control on the pads, just the total control of the house wherever you are is amazing, right? You can shut the curtains, shut the blinds, turn on the lights, turn on the TVs, open the garage door. You can do whatever you want, wherever you are, whenever you are. So I think the flexibility of control is incredible.
I'm so proud of how this project came out. It takes a large team to pull something like this off.
We're looking forward to finishing the project. We still have a pool facility, 2 accessory living units to finish, pickleball court, and we're looking to finish that over the next 12 to 14 months.
We have, after working with Wipliance on the house, we have virtually changed every single custom home we have locally to having Wipliance work on the projects. That's how much of an impact they had on this house.
Wipliance was able to provide the detail, customer service, and the quality that we need in our residences.
Working with Wipliance has been amazing. Came in, knocked it out of the park, saved the house for the summer, saved our summer. Ben and the team have just been incredible the whole way through.
Technology is important in our projects. That's why we choose Wipliance.